Hello everyone. Welcome back to English with Stories. Have you ever heard someone say, break a leg, or it's a piece of cake, and wondered what they really meant? These are called idioms. Idioms don't mean exactly what the words say. They have a special meaning. Today you'll learn 10 common English idioms through short, easy stories. This is one of the best ways to remember idioms because stories make learning fun and natural. Let's begin. 1. Piece of cake. Ali was worried about his English test. He studied every day for a week. On the test day, the questions were very easy. After the exam, his friend asked, "How was it?" Ali smiled and said, "It was a piece of cake," meaning very easy. Example, this homework is a piece of cake. 2. Break the ice. Sarah joined a new English class. Everyone was quiet. The teacher asked everyone to play a fun game and introduce themselves. Soon everyone was laughing and talking. The game helped break the ice, meaning to make people feel comfortable. Example, a joke can break the ice. 3. Hit the books. Hamza had an important exam tomorrow. His friends invited him to play cricket, but he said, "Sorry, I need to hit the books." He stayed home and studied, meaning to study seriously. Example, I must hit the books tonight. 4. Under the weather. Aisha usually goes to school every day. Today she stayed at home because she had a fever. She said, "I'm feeling under the weather," meaning feeling sick. Example, I'm under the weather today. 5. Once in a blue moon. Bilal loves pizza, but he eats it only on his birthday. He says, "I eat pizza once in a blue moon," meaning very rarely. Example, we visit that village once in a blue moon. 6. Spill the beans. Fatima was planning a surprise party for her mother. Her little brother accidentally told their mother everything. He spilled the beans, meaning reveal a secret. Example, don't spill the beans. 7. Cost an arm and a leg. Ahmed wanted a new phone, but it was very expensive. He said, "This phone costs an arm and a leg," meaning very expensive. Example, that car costs an arm and a leg. 8. Better late than never. Zayn forgot his friend's birthday. 2 days later, he called and wished him anyway. His friend smiled and said, "Better late than never," meaning it's better to do something late than not do it at all. Example, you finally started learning English. Better late than never. 9. Keep an eye on. Mother said to her son, "Please keep an eye on your little sister while I cook dinner." He watched her carefully, meaning watch someone carefully. Example, can you keep an eye on my bag? 10. The ball is in your court. Ali finished helping his friend prepare for an interview. He said, "I've done my part. Now the ball is in your court," meaning it's your turn to decide or act. Example, I gave you my advice. Now the ball is in your court. Let's review today's idioms. Piece of cake, meaning very easy. Break the ice, meaning make people comfortable. Hit the books, meaning study hard. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick. Once in a blue moon, meaning very rarely. Spill the beans, meaning reveal a secret. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning very expensive. Better late than never, meaning late is better than never. Keep an eye on, meaning watch carefully. The ball is in your court, meaning your turn to act. Which idiom did you like the most? Tell me in the comments and write your own example sentence. If you enjoyed learning English through stories, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to English with Stories, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Happy learning!